Hi, and welcome to the Father Filmmaker YouTube channel. My name is Shay, and I wanted to take a brief moment to describe a little bit about who I am and what you can expect from my content. 10 years ago, I began learning how to make videos for my friends and family. I have a full-time job that requires my family and I to move every 2 or 3 years around the world. And because of this, it became very important for us to capture as many of life's memories as possible to share with our extended family back in the United States and the friends that we've made from around the world. These videos allow them to tag along on our family's adventures and feel included in many of our family's major life events, such as the kids' firsts, birthdays, school events, and many other of life's milestones. From the very start, it's always been my idea to elevate the old school platforms of the family slideshow or the photo album to capture these events in a more modern and interesting way, which leads me to why I started this channel in the first place. I'm frequently asked by friends and family for tips and tricks who are interested in recording their own family videos, so I'm here to share my knowledge with you. Whether you're an expecting parent hoping to capture all those special moments you're about to experience with your growing family, or a parent with older children who are excited about making their own videos, or your family is about to embark on the adventure of a lifetime and you want to make sure you document it for posterity. Whatever your goal is, I'm here and I want to help. I'd love to have you take this journey with me and subscribe to my channel. And if you're interested in some of the behind the scenes content, follow me over at Father Filmmaker on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and I cannot wait to share all the things that I've learned with you.